In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a design from Canva to Printify. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. This is a great way to bring your creative designs to life and even start selling them on various print-on-demand products. Let's dive in. First, you'll want to start in Canva. So go ahead and open your project in Canva. You might be working on a design for a t-shirt, mug, or any number of items. Whatever the design, we're ready to get it onto Printify. Once your design is open, look up to the top right corner of the screen where you'll see a button that says Share. Click on that. After clicking Share, a drop-down menu will appear, and one of your options there will be to download. Go ahead and click on that as well. You'll see a number of options appear, including different file types. Here, it's essential to select PNG under the File Type selection. PNG is a great choice because it supports transparent backgrounds, which will be very useful for your design. Now, before you finish downloading, there are a couple of adjustments to make. If your design has any transparency that you want to keep, make sure to check the box that says Transparent Background. This is important if you want your design to look seamless on various products. Finally, once everything looks good, click the Download button. Your design will start to export, and soon you'll have a PNG file saved on your device. With your design now safely downloaded, it's time to switch over to Printify. Open your web browser and head over to the Printify website. Once you're there, log into your account. If you're new to Printify, you'll need to create an account to get started. Once you're logged in, look to the side menu and find the option for Catalog. This is where you can explore all the different products you can create. Click on Catalog, and then scroll through to select the type of product you want to design. For example, if you're making a t-shirt, go ahead and click on that option. After you select your product type, you'll see different styles and variations of t-shirts available. Choose the one that best fits your vision and click on Start Designing. This will take you to the Product Editor screen, where you can customize your product to your heart's content. Now on this editor screen, look for an Upload button. Click on that, and you will see an option to choose My Device. This will allow you to find that PNG file you just downloaded from Canva. Navigate to the location where you saved that file, select it, and click Open. Your design will now be uploaded to the Printify editor. Once it's uploaded, you can freely position and resize your design on the product mockup as needed. It can be really satisfying to see your artwork displayed on a product. Play around with the placement and make sure it looks just right. Once you're happy with how it looks, it's time to select the variants of the product. Look for the button that says Select Variants. Here, you can choose different colors for the product or other variations that Printify offers. This step is also crucial because it allows your customers to select their preferred options. Finally, once you're all set and satisfied with your design and product selection, don't forget to click Save Product. This will save everything you've worked on, and you'll have your design uploaded to Printify, ready for production. And there you have it. You've successfully uploaded a design from Canva to Printify. Now you're set to start your print-on-demand journey. If this guide has helped you, don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Happy designing, and best of luck with your projects.